In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can silence unknown callers on your iPhone. Silencing unknown calls on iPhone is important as it helps to maintain focus by preventing unnecessary interruptions, making it easier to concentrate on tasks without being distracted by unsolicited calls. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto this option of FaceTime. You will then navigate onto the last option of Silence Unknown Calls. Make sure to enable this option. When turned on, all calls from unknown numbers will get silenced, sent to voicemail and get displayed on Recents list. This feature ultimately provides a more streamlined and stress-free communication experience, ensuring that only calls from known and trusted contacts get through. That's how easy it is to silence unknown calls on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.